Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to start using crypto safely, this is the correct way to create a Coinbase account without getting stuck later. First, go ahead and download the official Coinbase app from the App Store. In App Store, search for Coinbase and then click download. Once downloaded, click on open. Then after opening the app, click on sign up. You could either sign up with Apple or Google. If you want to sign in with your Apple, then click on continue and hide my email also, or you could share your email. Then after that, enter your legal name, email address and create a strong password. Then make sure the email is one you can access because you need if for the verification. Next, Coinbase will send a verification email. Go ahead and open your Gmail app and then tap on your inbox, search for the link and then tap the link. Now you'll have to enter your phone number and confirm it using the SMS code that was sent to you. Now enter your phone number. After that, choose your country and agree to the terms. Your account is created, but you won't be able to trade yet until identity verification is done. Once verified, your Coinbase account is ready to buy, sell, and store crypto securely. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.